Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my beginner's journey videos. My name is Tom and this is my Subaru WRX STI. And today I'm going to share a little surprise with you. But first I want to show you a little milestone I've reached. I will do 10 perfect rev match downshifts in a row without missing once. While we're driving to get some space to drive, a quick fact. Rev matching isn't just for style and comfort, it actually reduces the stress on your gearbox. Your wallet will thank you for that. Alright, here we go. 10 in a row. I'm starting in the third, down to the second, blip clutch. That's one. Yeah, that felt okay. 2. That one was a little high, but I counted. Number 3. Smooth. 4. 5. This feels much easier than at the beginning. 6. There we go. 7. 8. Wow, this was nice. 9. 10. So, that's it I guess. Mission accomplished. So, what's the sign I was talking about? Well, I realized the other day I was upshifting. I caught myself blipping the throttle. I didn't mean to do it. My brain didn't tell me to do it. My foot just did it. Sure, it's not necessary for an upshift, but my foot is starting to blip on instinct. It's creeping into my muscle memory. And that, my friends, is a good problem to have. So here's the lesson. Even if you feel you're stuck, your brain and your feet are somehow connecting together. So keep going, and yeah, suddenly you will notice yourself doing things automatically. If you're also learning this kind of stuff, set yourself small challenges. It's like this 10 perfect downshifts in a row. If you liked that video or you have some advice for me, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.